Now, the question here is find the value of k for which the following equations are consistent. Find the value of k for which the following equations are consistent. We have 3x plus y plus 2 equals to 0, 4x plus 2y minus k equals to 0, and 2x minus y plus 3k equal to 0. How can you perform such operations? Now come closer. For an equation to be consistent, in matrices, that means that the determinant of this must be equal to 0. The determinant of all of this must be equal to 0 for an equation in matrix to be consistent. You get? Now this is what I mean. Let me just bring it out here as a solution. Now I'll divide this up. Now, if you're asked to represent this in matrices, what you do is you just take the coefficients. Coefficient means that value that is attached to an unknown. That value that is attached to an unknown. Look at this x here. When you tell me the value of x, you need to solve it first before you can tell me. But since you don't know that at that particular moment, it means it's an unknown. How about y? It's also an unknown. 2. You see? So we have x, y, and k. X, y, and k. 3 unknowns here. So you cannot just tell me their values. But these things that are attached to them is known as the coefficient. This number here, 3 is a coefficient, 4, 2, here is 1, because at the back of every unknown is invisible 1. Now you see? So we are going to represent only the unknowns. That's how you represent it, an equation in matrix. You pick only coefficients and represent them in the brackets. You get? Now pause here. 3, pause here, 4, pause here, 2. That's the coefficient. 3 is attached to it, 4 is attached to it, and 2 also. Now, y, what's attached to y here? 1. Here is what? 2. Here is what? Minus 1. You get it? Now, this other side, 2. This other side is minus k. And then here is what? 3k. I've been able to represent this equation in matrix format. Now, you get it? Now, the rule for an equation to be consistent in matrix, it means that the determinant of this matrix must be equal to 0. You get it? And how do you represent determinant? You represent them like this. 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, minus 1, 2, minus k, and 3k. You see? In an absolute, this like this must be equal to 0. That is the sign for determinant. Now, if I want to take the determinant of this, I take the first number 3, and then I will close this row, I will close this column. So if I should close here and close here, what can you see? 2 minus 1 and minus k and 3. You get it? So by taking down this determinant, I'm going to have 3 into 2 times, because here is out, here is out. I'm cancelling this 2 out. What's left is 2 minus 1 minus k and 3. So 2 times 3k will give us 6k. And then, here is when you're taking the next one, it's always minus. So I have minus 1 times minus k. It's supposed to be plus k, but because of that sign, the cofactor, I'm going to have minus k instead of plus k. And then here also, I'm taking the second one. So what I will do is, I will close here, and I will close here. That's what you're going to do. You close this row, close this column. You are left with 4, 2, minus k, and 3. So 4 times, I'll take minus 1 into 4 multiplies 3k, I'll have 12k. And then 2 multiplies minus k, I'll have minus 2k. But because of the cofactor sign, it's going to be plus 2k. Now the next one is what? Plus 2 into plus 2. What am I going to do at this point? What I'm going to do is, I'm going to close this column, this row, and close this column. I'm left with 4, 2, 2 and minus 1. So 4 times minus 1 give me minus 4. And then 2 times 2 give me 4. But because of that cofactor sign, that is going to be minus 4. You get it? Now all of this is equal to 0, because that's the determinant. Now I'll expand this bracket. 3 will multiply everything. But before that, I have to simplify the bracket first. So I have 3 into 6k minus k is 5k, minus 1 into 12k plus 2k will give me 14k, plus 2 into minus 4 will give me minus 8 equal to 0. Now I can expand the bracket fully now. 3 times 5k will give me 15k minus minus 1 times 14k will give me minus 14k. And then 2 times minus 8 is minus 16 to be equal to 0. Now 15 minus 14k is what? K. Because 15 minus 14 is 1. 1 times k is k minus 16 equal to 0. And that implies that k, if minus 16, sorry, is equal to 0. If minus 16 crosses this equality sign, k will be equal to 16. So I can now say, therefore, the value of k that makes the equation to be consistent is equal to what? 16. You can see that's how I can finalize this question. You can see how simple it is. If you love this video, do not hesitate. Share this video with your friends, with your loved ones. I will see you in my next class. Bye bye. One love.